You are somebody who is positive all the time, you are working hard all the time, still you are facing financial struggle in your life, you are financially stuck in your life. And if this is the case in your life, this is the video for you. Rich people do something internally first and then they eventually become rich in their outside reality. What are those internal shifts? Let's explore points by points. In today's video, I'm going to explain 4 points, and in the next video, remaining 4 points I'll be explaining, which will be basically helping you. What are those energy shifts, internal shifts, which rich people eventually choose to do and they become rich in their life. So, point number one, and that is rich people choose to have a very strong self concept. It simply means rich people are the ones who basically know themselves truly at their core level who they actually are. Rich people have a very clear understanding about themselves, basically the person they are. Rich people have basically the very positive level of self confidence, high level of self confidence, a very high self esteem, a very positive self image. Rich people are the ones who very clear cut have a understanding that what are their strength, what are their weakness, how to play with their strength, and how to eventually work on their weakness so that eventually it also starts contributing to their growth. So they have a very strong self concept. Number 2, and that is very interesting but important. Rich people never ever argue with people who are offering cheap products and services. For example, a lot of times we have seen people around us literally getting into a fight with people who are offering products like fruits and vegetables. And sometimes we all travel through maybe rickshaw and auto, literally people fighting for 1 or 2 rupee. But rich people never ever go in those kind of arguments, never ever do some kind of bargain with those people, because they respect those people and their what they are charging, because they understand why they are charging and what is being charged is fair enough to be paid for. And that's why rich people never ever indulges in any kind of bargains, negotiations with those people. Number 3, rich people basically do the charity work. Yes, every month, not every week maybe, but every month, sincerely, they do a small portion of what they feel like, what they really want. They do a small portion of their income in a charity work, some kind of charity, some kind of contribution, and they do out of their happiness, they do out of their sense of fulfillment, they do with the intention that they are so much blessed that they want to help other people, they want to share what they are getting to the people, with the people who are needful, who are needy, and they choose to do some kind of charity work every month sincerely with all the honesty. Number 4, and that is they are the ones who are very much comfortable being alone with themselves. Yes, you heard me right. Rich people have a very interesting personality, at least what I have observed, that they are very much comfortable in their own skin, they are very much comfortable in their own space, they love being themselves, they are very much enjoying their own energy, because I don't know, for some reason they understand, it's like they understand energy, and that's why sometimes it gets too heavy to grasp all of those people and their energy. And that's why most of the time, majority of the time, rich people do like to enjoy being alone. They don't crave for people, they don't beg for people and their time. They learn and they love to be with themselves, and the more they love to be with themselves, the more they like their own energy, people starts getting attracted to them. Good people starts getting attracted to them. that becomes the most important point. I think in this video I have explained basically one, two, three, yes, and fourth point also. In this video, I have explained 4 points, and eventually I am going to explain the rest 4 points in the next video. I hope this video is going to become the eye opener for people who are thinking that you're doing all the stuff, still you are not feeling any kind of results in your life. Start implementing all those points in your life and see the magic happening in a while in your life. And stay tuned for the rest 4 points which I'm going to share in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.